sounds sick.
What?
I said that sounds sick.
It's got a ghost cam.
Nice.
Hang on. Just turn the aircon off. Oh, there we go. Got some lemon squash.
Sweet.
Got some good news too.
Yeah?
We're going to MotorEx.
MotorEx. What's a MotorEx?
It's a massive car show in Melbourne.
Yeah? Melbourne. Melbourne meetups.
We're going to take some cars down.
What are we taking?
I reckon we'll take the Bedford.
Yeah? What, like road trip down there maybe?
Oh, I reckon no. not a chance. We'll take the Fairlane too, I reckon, and just something we haven't seen on the show yet, but I reckon we'll take that as well.
Bit of a surprise.
Got pipes hanging out the bonnet and all sorts of crazy stuff.
Nice, nice.
Need aircon. Oh, man, it's
A lucky new haircut.
a bit hot. 11th and 12th of May, brah.
Yeah?
We'll be there. We'll have our cars there. And I reckon everyone should come along and meet us there. It's going to be obviously all those cool cars that you see at Summer Nats and all that sort of thing with millions of dollars spent on them, but they're also going to have a regular car show for nice tidy street cars. Got some special judges for that. Big trade show. I reckon it'll be a good time. Melbourne Showgrounds. You in?
I'm keen as, dude. Sounds awesome.
Sweet. If anyone else wants to know about it, we'll stick some details up on our socials and you can come and give us a high five, have a lemon squash, whatever.
Can they bring their cars too?
If they're neat and tidy, yeah, they can enter them. I might even sign some breasts. Only if they're male though. I don't want to get creepy.
I don't know, that mullet looks pretty creepy to me.
I'm off, I've got to pick up the good old boys.